It's demo day, baby. Let's go smash something. I actually need glasses.
Watch out, Wilbur. He's on the loose.
Yeah! Okay, that's it for me. I'm gonna take the kids and let the boys do the rest of the work. I'm passing the creator torch.
This is not gonna go
The
well.
new star of the show. Everybody's favorite Mikey.
This is gonna become an R-rated channel pretty soon.
I believe in you.
Yeah.
I believe in you. Keep it family friendly.
Okay.
The children are watching.
Gabe's not sure. He's
I'm
already
taking this.
nervous.
Pull it up, buddy.
It's always the bread.
You're destroying the place.
Oh, yeah. They're bringing the excavator in like an hour or two.
You're gonna drive it?
I don't know. Yeah.
I wanna drive it too.
Yeah, you can drive it 100%. It's perfect. It's pretty big.
Not really.
right. It'll be perfect for what we're doing. And
Keep in mind that any damage is on you guys.
for sure. Right? Yeah, okay. Yeah. We got the excavator. Now we gotta figure out how to drive it.
So cool, man. Sick excavator.
That's awesome. That's a lot of power. Oh, what a mess. I mean, look at this. Just decades of shit. It's gonna take care of it. It's good, you know? Recovering the land, subduing the earth. That's a big scoop. Nice.
Uncle Ben's in there, so we don't want to crush it down.
Yeah, we don't want to smash the house. Gaby, hi.
Okay, Mike, walk us through it.
This used to be wood. And
my gosh.
when you pull it up, you can see that the wood has disintegrated and is returned to the dirt form. And it actually smells like compost in there. It's kind of nice. It's like we've been gardening.
Oh my gosh, my feet.
Yeah, it's all clay and just nastiness. It's okay, it's fine to bring it in here.
Oh, bring it in.
This is Victoria's special door. That's where she's gonna come in and out. Also, we found some mice. Turns out this has been a mouse house. We're actually calling it the mouse house now. If you look over here, you can see where some of the mice would hang out. They would just snuggle up in all this insulation.
Oh, don't kick that at me. Ugh.
You can see the poop coming. It's everywhere.
Oh, nasty.
The ceiling, normally you want your ceiling to be pretty solid, but if you go up there right now, it's more like walking on cardboard or maybe even paper towel. There was no vapor barrier installed underneath the roof shingles, and so water just seeped into the actual plywood and eroded the plywood. So this is a little bit of pee-pee right here.
Were you on the roof too long?
Nice feature. It's like a waterbed, but in the ceiling.
Oh, it's literally peeing from the ceiling.
It's happening.
Ugh. Oh my gosh.
We've got to replace the whole roof. Most of the rafters need to be replaced.
It's
Should
a
be
full
fine.
gutting.
Should be pretty fine.
What are we gonna do with the door?
We're gonna keep it.
Yeah.
Let me just get this one
I
thing.
love
Hang
this
on.
door. Oh.
Yeah, we thought maybe if you or the kids wanted a little extra doorway, or the kids were being bad, maybe we could just put them in here.
Well, now.
Close it up. There you go.
Now we don't need a door for me because I could fit through that.
You can fit in there.
The nastiest part of the demo is complete, which is pulling out all the insulation. The demo is 99% complete. We're gonna go take a tour and I'm going to explain the plan for the space. First things first, we actually moved the front entry. It was originally gonna be here at this door, but the main entryway is actually gonna be on this side. So we wanna build in some really large steps coming down here from the house up into this space. Go.
The plan currently is to knock off this section that doesn't have a true foundation and build an awning and have a patio hangout here instead. This side of the building will have a vertical dark wood exterior, while the rest of the building we are thinking about doing black tin or another kind of siding. As you come into the main entrance, this is going to be my main painting space. This wall is going to be gone, and because it is load bearing, we are going to put in pillars and a large supporting beam overhead. We're gonna make the concrete floors one level, white walls, windows along the backside wall, either floor to ceiling windows windows or very large windows and put in a built-in storage bench across the bottom. We need to decide that today. Over here, I'm gonna have a built-in painting, storage cabinet space. We're going to have large work tables on wheels. For the ceiling, I want skylights still on the fence if we're gonna do white drywall on the ceiling or tongue and groove wood. Help us decide. This section, we will have a lounge area, and we're thinking of putting a vertical wood accent wall behind to divide the area and bring warmth to the space, as there's a lot of concrete and white walls. For furniture, I'm thinking a big sectional, cozy rug, and chair from Sunday's Furniture, which is on its way. I cannot wait. This rotted out room will be another entryway, as well as Mike's workspace. Not sure his dreams for this space, but I'm envisioning something ergonomic and super practical.
Here, Mike dug a big trench around the studio for all my alligators and lava. Keep everybody out, except for we have a problem, which is it was totally rotted out. All this dirt was piled up against the side of this building, and so all this moisture is getting in and rotting away at the walls.
It's a cute little fluffy thing too.
Yeah.
Look how cute it is. Very cute.
I'm very excited to have a creative haven on this property, create lots of art and create lots of music, as well as just have a lot of awesome memories with our friends and family, hanging out on the deck. All my dreams in one. So we're getting there. It is close. We are getting there. Next on the menu is framing, which is happening right now. A little more demo. We got to take out some walls, but a new roof. And then from there, we're going to be doing insulation, putting in windows, putting in walls, doing the finishings. It's happening faster than we thought. Thanks to these guys.
Dotwood Construction.
That's
what they call
right.
me.
Call this guy. He knows what he's doing.
The website is woodygotwood.ca.
Follow along as me and Mike and all the amazing people behind the scenes helping us make this dream a reality.